here, and I'm going to do a quick review of this KRIDDO balance bike that my son has had for almost a year now, so I can attest to its durability. We live in a very rural area, country, lots of rough roads, not a lot of pavement. We're going on long walks in the open fields. He's riding this thing everywhere. It has been fantastic. So he is almost 3 years old, and he's probably been riding this for about a year. The seat is highly adjustable. You know, just pull this down, seat goes up and down. I can see him riding this easily for another couple years if that's what we choose to do and not get him a pedal bike. He has fantastic balance, and I do think that this bike has helped develop that. So if you've got a kiddo that you're wanting to just work on coordination, I think this is a great thing. Also, just one other huge aspect that I love about it is that it has helped the independence with a little kid that wants to keep up with you but physically can't on walks. He rides this and he's just like effortlessly keeping along. So if you're not familiar with balance bikes, basically they have no pedals. The child sits on here and they just use their feet on the ground to go back and forth, and then when they want to stop, they just leave their feet on the ground. So super simple concept, has been a great stepping stone, obviously, to get him on a real bike eventually, but he loves this thing. It is super lightweight. I like that about the frame, packing it around on like camping trips, things like that. It's been great. The tires actually do have air in them. They're super lightweight, but they're not your typical rubber tire. So they've been really good. We have a long gravel driveway. These tires have been great for that. The handlebar here is also adjustable, and then it comes with, we put on this little basket. It does not come with that, but it does come with this little nameplate thing with stickers that you can customize whatever's on the front. So he's worn that down in a year, but everything else has held up really well. Probably one of his top 3 toys that we have, and we've had this for over a year. Highly recommend checking it out if you want your kiddo to have some easy ways to get exercise and be independent and help you not have to carry them on those long walks.